Hello guys, my name is Joel Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JT Devs. For today's video, we're going to work on some example on this decision making in Python. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to start with, it will be if statement. So let's create some variable and then we set num1 to 3 and num2 to 7. So let's say if num1 is greater than num2. So in Python, if we need to, so you see with Python, other programming language, you need to make use of the parenthesis, and then we will curly brackets. So, but in Python, we need to make use of the colon and indentation. The indentation is just you need to press tab, and then it will place you inside of that particular block. All right. Then let's say we want to display the results, and then we can just say maybe num1 is great. Okay, let me just say is great then num2, and then because if num1 is not greater than num2, then we should have a section whereby we need to display the result and say that, oh, look here, num1 is not greater than num2. So that part is else. We need to make use of else and say print. Then we say num1 is not greater than num2. Alright. Then let's run it. Then display 3 is not greater than 7. And then if we change the value of 3 to 10, then let's have a look. Then it says 7 is greater than, 10 is greater than 7. Let's look for another example. So this one will be if else. Now if and if. Okay, and if. So this will be for checking condition 1, and then this one to check condition 2. So condition is actually what you're checking for if it's true or false. Then we'll say if num1 is greater than num2, then we can just print out and say num1 is greater than num2. And if, then we say num1 is equals to num2. So we're checking if num1 is equals to num2, then we can just say num1 is equals to num2. Alright. Then if none of those conditions were true, then we need to display something to tell the user none of above option was correct. Okay, see. None Okay, and that be fine. So let's check for the result. Then we run it. It's say num1 is greater than num2. And then if we change the value and say the value of this will be maybe 7, then we should get that they are the same. Num1 is equal to num2. Then what if num1 is 3? Then we'll get none of the above. Okay, none of the above. Alright. Then I'll create another example with which will be like the part 2 of decision making. Okay, thank you guys, and please subscribe and share the video. Bye.